Simple, creamy, shockingly good, and just look at those colors. I'll show you how to use this salad in an epic sandwich at the end of this video. Today we're making creamy pickled beetroot salad. Start by cutting a can of pickled beets into 1/4-inch squares. That gives you about 1.5 cups. Then in a small mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of labneh or Greek yogurt and 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and add 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Mix these ingredients together to a smooth texture, and then pour in your pickled beets and mix everything gently. What is your favorite use of pickled beets? Let us know in the comments. And look at those amazing colors. You can use this salad as a festive side dish as it is, or you can use it on an epic sandwich. And as I promised, here's how you make it. Spread butter on a rye bread and put a lettuce leaf on top. Pour half of your creamy pickled beetroot salad on top of 3/4 of the lettuce leaf. Place 8 cold cooked meatballs on top of the salad. Then place 4 slices of dill pickle on top of the lettuce leaf without salad. Then finally garnish with the dill sprig. And there you have it, a creamy pickled beetroot salad and an epic open-faced meatball sandwich. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.